There's a long form and a short form. And with NBA players, I go right to the short form. And the body has two triangles, Tony hip, knee hip shoulder, which control the lift and power for the shot release. What we try to do here is 2 fingers behind our wrist, 2 fingers over the top of our wrist, then 2 fingers in front of our wrist, secured within the mirror of the forearm to the basket. Anytime the fingers go outside of the forearm, direction-wise, then we start to lose our aim. So 2 fingers behind the wrist, 2 fingers over the top of the wrist, 2 fingers in front of the wrist. As I took a long time on this one because this is the toughest movement, trying to get the middle and ring finger, which he is, to be the same height. Two fingers at the same time behind the forearm, over the top of the forearm, in front of, there it is, in front of the forearm, there it is, behind the forearm. That tuberosity is telling him I'm straight, from my fingers down to my toes. And he wants to try and get a 2-finger release at the same time within the basket. 2 fingers are not only the same height, but they are also the same distance away from the basket within the cylinder. Shot is good.